Okay, number 5 asks us to, so it says if a liquid weighs 2 pounds and has a capacity of 3 gallons, what is its density? Okay, so this is requiring us to remember that density is equal to the mass over the volume. So what we have is something that has a weight of 2 pounds, which is like the mass, over the volume is 3 gallons. So we're taking 2 pounds over 3 gallons. Now, if we look at our choices, we see that pounds per gallons is not going to be the right choice. So we have to look for some other, we have to use some conversion factors to get it into an appropriate answer. So I'm seeing lots of ounces. Well, so this one right here is our choice that we can eliminate already because they're dividing the other way around. If we took the volume, 3 gallons, and divided by the mass, 2 pounds, we would get 3 over 2, or 1.5 gallons over pounds. So this is just checking that you know the formula. So it's not that one. And the rest of them have ounces and pints or quarts left. So let's convert our pounds to ounces. So I need to know that for every 1 pound, there are 16 ounces. And so I write my conversion factor with something that's equivalent to 1, right? 16 ounces is equal to 1 pound. So I'm allowed to multiply by this. So we only can multiply by things that are factors equal to 1. So these two things have to be equal. And I choose them in the right order so that I can cancel out my pounds. So if I was doing another problem, I might want to, another conversion factor might be to do 1 pound over 16 ounces. So the order of where I put my numerator and where I put my denominator depends solely on what I'm trying to do. The goal here is to try to get rid of pounds and get ounces instead. So pounds cancel, and we're left with ounces. And now I've got 32 ounces over 3 gallons. But gallons isn't going to be helpful because, again, I'm looking at ounces compared to pints or quarts. So I have to know that for every 1 gallon, there are 8 pints. So again, I write this conversion factor so that this is something equal to 1, but it's written so that I can cancel out gallons. So now I have in the numerator 32 ounces, and all the other units are gone. And the denominator, I've got 24 pints. So 32 over 24 can be reduced down to 4/3, and we still have ounces over pints. So 4/3 is 1.33 ounces per pint, so that is the correct choice. If once I did this right here, I realized that it wasn't one of these two choices, then pints would not have been the way to go, and we would have wanted to use quarts instead.